Country mouse and a town mouse. Once upon a time, there were two mice who were cousins. One lived in the bustling city, and the other lived in the quiet countryside. The country mouse invited the town mouse to visit and experience the simple life of the country. The town mouse arrived with great enthusiasm, expecting a grand feast. However, the country mouse served simple fare: seeds, grains, and fresh vegetables. Though the meal was modest, the country mouse enjoyed the natural flavors and peaceful surroundings. The town mouse, used to the finer things in life, tried to hide his disappointment but couldn't resist saying, "Cousin, you must come to the city. I promise you will never want to return to this plain life after experiencing the delights of the town." Curious, the country mouse agreed, and they set off for the city. When they arrived, the town mouse led his cousin to a grand house where a banquet had been left unattended. There were cheeses, pastries, and fruits of every kind. The country mouse's eyes widened with amazement and delight. As they began to feast, their joy was abruptly interrupted by the arrival of the house cat. The two mice scurried away and hid until the danger passed. Once safe, they cautiously resumed eating, but their nerves were on edge. Shortly after, the butler entered the room, and again they had to flee. The country mouse, now thoroughly frightened, turned to his cousin and said, "This may be a fine feast, but it is not worth the constant fear and danger. I would rather have my simple meals in peace than live in such luxury under threat." The country mouse returned to his humble home, grateful for the quiet and safety it provided. The town mouse remained in the city, continuing to enjoy the luxuries, albeit with the constant risk that came with them. And so each mouse lived happily in the place that suited them best, having learned to appreciate their own way of life.